And underneath that crosses our bodies. Napapapansin nyo guys na merong parang star sa gitna. They are the Star of David used by the Jewish. Mga sundalo din sila under the U.S. Force for USAPEC, United States Armed Forces in the Far East. 1,800 of those are nakuha yung body. Diba guys, yung mga sundalo, meron yan silang tag, dog tag. Kasi pag nakuha yung body, na-cover yung body nila, alam nilang sila yon. Pero yung mga iba, natanggalan ng dog tag, maybe yung ulo ay nablong somewhere, o kung saan, sa dagat, ganyan, ay hindi na sila ma-identify. Pero yung body nila na-recover. Just the same, they bury it here. No? So those are marble slabs, guys, from Romblon and from Italy. And you can see a mosaic map inside showing the strategic locations of the war noong nag-announce ng US ng war against Japan, yung mga kanilang mga action. In the Battle of Midway, in the Battle of the Coral Sea, and including the bombing of Hiroshima and Okinawa. The time when, in September 11, 1945, ayaw pa rin mag-surrender yung Japan. All the American cities to bomb them. Bubombahin na lang para mag-surrender sila. Okay, you can see it here also. I will give you 15 minutes to go around and take pictures. Pero guys, reminders lang, this is a place where we have to honor our foreparents, our allied forces, in sacrificing their lives for the freedom of our country against the atrocities of the Japanese Imperial Army. So, all visitors are accorded the respect in honoring these dead people inside the cemetery. So you can take pictures closer to the grave, pero please don't run. Huwag kayong naglalaro. No? You can just walk casually, going from these areas, especially at that building. Makikita nyo sa kabila pala yung Leyte landing. Makikita nyo dun yung map of the Philippines showing the landing of Douglas MacArthur. October, kailan nyo inaano yung sinicelebrate yung MacArthur? October 2019, 1944. That was the return of MacArthur from Leyte. He proceeded to Mindoro and he proceeded to Pangasinan, like ang Apling Gulf, to trap the enemies. Gusto mag-CR, ayan sa likod ng bata. I'll give